Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Don't you just love it when you can hang out with your guests while you're preparing a meal? That's why we got these KAIDYSENY Bar Stools. I'm no longer in the kitchen while everyone else is hanging out. Not only have they helped bring our family together, but they look great and they are durable. They are the perfect height for a counter height stool. Love that there is a bar that can be used as a footrest. That way your legs aren't dangling. This is especially great for my kids. They really like to sit in the chairs and eat their breakfast or do their homework and visit with me while I'm cooking. The black iron is nice and sturdy, not to mention sleek. And the seats are really comfortable. They weren't pre-assembled, but they did come with the tools and hardware to do so. The instructions were picture only, but they were really simple to follow. While the parts weren't labeled, the hardware for each chair was in a separate baggie, which I really appreciated. Overall, these chairs are comfortable, they look great in our kitchen, and I am just in love with them. And that's my point of view.